All right, so we're taking a little hike today to Hotel California. Mary Kay leading the way?
Maybe.
Maybe? Hotel California.
Here we go.
Our tour
I got
guide.
reservations for 4.
Tour guide, Gary and Mary Kay. The abandoned structure with the nickname Hotel California was built by a riverboat captain by the name of Grover Marler. He built this as a retirement home for him and his wife. Back in the 60s, the Tennessee Valley Authority came in and purchased all the land now known as Land Between the Lakes. Once the lake was made, Kentucky Route 522 was now underwater and they no longer had a way to their home. I read online where it was rumored that Grover had built his own barge to get them back and forth across the lake. Grover's wife ended up leaving him, but he stayed and continued to fight to keep his home. Unfortunately, he was unsuccessful and ended up having to abandon the home.
How did it get its name, Hotel California?
I think that's the name that people have given it.
Yeah, probably. Just a nickname people giving it.
Yeah.
So that's all that's left, huh? Just the concrete.
Concrete rebar.
Was it ever finished?
Yes. There's actually some pictures. If you go online, you can find some pictures of what it looks like.
Yeah, there's a lot of garbage down here.
I thought it was right here. I thought I put it right here. Or did I put it? No, I put it on the sidewalk. Maybe I should have put it on the wall. Okay, there's Sabrina. Chuck, Alan. Oh, I was going to have to redo it. We have no idea or the whys of anything around here. We cannot answer that question. No idea. They've knocked some more down. Yeah, it is. Okay, well, I'm going upstairs.
Yeah, there's not a bare spot left on these walls with no graffiti, is there? Actually, a couple of them have pretty cool pictures on them.
Yeah.
Did you go upstairs?
Kind of a narrow stairwell.
Yeah, all the spray cans that had their tops busted off. And we didn't bring anything to.
Oh, there's Popeye.
It had electricity, Mark.
Huh?
It had electricity.
Oh, yeah, it did, didn't it?
There's another bathroom.
Probably pretty primitive.
Well, obviously.
Yeah, that's a lot of cement block to
Yeah.
haul back here.
Yes.
There's a closet. Looks like a bedroom. Yeah, that's a lot of. And I'm assuming all these open areas.
A lot of bags of concrete to carry.
Huh?
Bags of concrete to carry. I mean, or however they got it back here. A lot of concrete, jeez.
This is the main front porch.
I mean, this is how well it's built, Mark.
Lilo and Stitch.
That's,
Yeah, I mean that's a pretty big span.
I mean, that probably wasn't there originally when he built it, but that's a massive span to still be standing.
Yeah, but if
Testimony of the strength of it,
This is just interesting.
isn't it?
I mean, and here's the thing. You would think that each one of these openings were windows.
Right.
Right, because they're
Windows
long.
and doors.
Yeah.
Well, there was a door, you can see.
Right. Right, door.
Now, see how it does, there's no concrete.
Oh, yeah, door, right.
Look at this thing. I'm sure it had put there at one time. But that's
You
just-
can't see it.
that's the testimony of how strong it is.
Yeah.
Maybe one day it will.
Well, I'd rather not be standing underneath.
It's in the middle of nowhere.
St. Stephen Catholic Church. When was it built? 1900?
Germany was settled in this area in that late 1800s.
1800? Final service was conducted in 1945.
This is the original location.
Original location. Oh, wow, they did a nice job restoring it.
What's that?
Hold on.
Really chimney? Hand carved. Yes, they are.
So it looks like.
Yeah, they are. They're all different.
And then maybe steamed and pushed outward for like a flower.
Yeah. Very cool. Oh, wow.
I think it's accurate. I think,
10 books?
yeah.